Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Unique Eduvision. Hey everyone there, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your places. Welcome back to your English class. This is Manpreet. In the previous class, we have done your adjective meaning, adjective types, and we have discussed about the two types of adjective, that was adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Now in this video we will discuss about the two more adjectives, that is adjective of number and demonstrative adjective. So adjective of number. What is adjective of number? An adjective that tells the number of person, animals, things we are referring to or in what order is called an adjective of number. Adjective of number वो adjective है जिसमें हम लोगों को number of persons के बारे में, animals के बारे में, things के बारे में पता लगता है और उनका order पता लगता है. Now you'll ask that what is order? Order means arranging the things, like that thing is on the first number, second number, third number or fourth number. So let's discuss in the example. The boy have two balloons. How many balloons boy have? Two. So when you get the answer of how many, then that sentence is of adjective of number. Let's discuss about the more example. Karan got only 5 marks in English. How many marks Karan got? 5. So 5 here is adjective of number. When we talk about the number arrangement like second, fourth, fifth, this comes under adjective of number, but they are called ordinal adjectives. Show the order of the person or the things standing. Some adjectives may be both adjectives of number and adjective of quantity, that are enough, some, all. But it depends upon the sentence that how we can recognize that. It all depends on the sentence. So when you get the answer of how much, as how much we use enough, then it's adjective of quantity, and if I found that enough tell us how many, then it comes under adjective of number. So let's discuss more about the adjective of number and quantity. Here I am having the two words few and little. They both convey the same idea and same meaning, but they are recognized as a different adjectives. As little is uncountable noun and used with uncountable noun refers to a small amount, comes under adjective of quantity. On the other side, if we talk about few, few is also for the small, but it's for small number. It is countable in nature. So that comes under adjective of number. Let's talk about the example. If I talk about countable, countable means few, a few people, a few chairs, that are countable. That comes under adjective of number. And if I talk about little, little time, a little work, that are uncountable. So that comes under adjective of quantity. So let's move to the another one. As the same as a few or little, much and many have the same difference. Much and many conveys the same idea, but much is an adjective of quantity and many is adjective of number. But how much interrogative terms used in interrogative terms for uncountable things? That is refers for the money, price and uncountable quantities such as time, liquid quantities, food quantities, and we can use as much help, much work. So here much is uncountable and adjective of quantity. Second one, how many? How many is the interrogative term used with countable numbers. Countable means people, apples, bottles, books, pen, pencil. That can be countable. So that comes under adjective of number. So simple is that if that word is countable or that things are countable, that comes under number, adjective of number. And if they are not countable, that is uncountable. So that comes under adjective of quantity. As simple. Now after the adjective of number, here's a time for demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is an adjective which is used to point out a person, animal, thing are called demonstrative adjective. For example, this is Paulette pen. So, to point out, we have used this word. Another example we can discuss, that is my house. So, I am pointing to which house? That is mine. So, that is here point out word. So, when we get which one answer? When we get the answer of which one in the sentence, that is demonstrative adjective. So, demonstrative adjectives are this, these, that, those. This is used for nearby things but only one. The same with these, but here the number of things are more than one. These means nearby, but number are more than one. The same with that. That is for the far things that are away from you, but only for one thing. Or if the too many things are far away from you, that you can use in case those. So, this and that is used for one thing. These and those are for the plural. Now, here's a time for your practice session. So, D part. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The correct words means you have to choose from the bracket given words the correct word to fill in blank. So, for this, you have to go through dash pane. Dash pane. Pane is countable or not uncountable? This is uncountable. So, we have to select a little. A little is related to uncountable. So, next is I want dash oil. Oil is not 1 liter is there. If 1 liter is there, then you have to put a few. Otherwise, a little. I have 2 dash homework for today. Much. We need a few more hours to complete the work. Because if we talk about hours are countable. Countable के साथ क्या use करते हैं? A few. The baby is dash happier now. Much happier now. Many happier नहीं आएगा. And the next exercise, you have to underline the adjective of quantity and circle the adjective of number. Quantity refers to uncountable. Number refers to countable. So, the sentence which carry countable things, that will be circle. And the sentence which carry non-countable or uncountable things, that are adjective of quantity. So, let's start. Manish goes to his art class 5 days back. 5 is countable, so we have to circle because circle the adjective of number. Circle. Many students were absent yesterday. Many students. Students are countable, so circle. There was one mistake in my test notebook. So 1 is here countable, so circle. There are 12 months in 1 year. 12 is also countable and 1 is also countable. So we have to circle. Please give me some water. I am thirsty. Some is uncountable. Water is uncountable. So we have to underline it. How much salt should I put in the soup? Here salt is not countable. A pinch of salt is if mentioned, then it's countable. Otherwise, adjective of quantity, so we have to underline. The man wanted some money. So same money. Man को कुछ money चाहिए. कितनी चाहिए नहीं बताया. So some is underlined. There is little food in the kitchen. Little food. बताया नहीं. Food is uncountable. अब 2 plate, 3 plate mention तो नहीं है ना food. So underline. All the birds return to their nest in the evening. All. Circle. Because birds are countable. So all is circle. Has your next exercise. That is, underline the demonstrative adjective. Underline the demonstrative adjective. Who gave you this book? I already told you this, that, those, these are demonstrative. Search is also demonstrative. So, who gave you this book? This is demonstrative. Search is demonstrative. That is demonstrative. Those, that, search, that. So, here I underline all the demonstrative adjective.